Stay comfortable year-round with this Rellytech mini split air conditioner featuring 18,000 BTU cooling and heating capacity for spaces up to 1,000 to 1,250 square feet. This 4-in-1 system works as an air conditioner, heater, fan, and dehumidifier with inverter technology, Wi-Fi control, and energy-efficient performance. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Powerful 18,000 BTU cooling and heating. This mini split AC heating system delivers 18,000 BTU cooling and 18,400 BTU heating, covering up to 1,250 square feet. It provides rapid and consistent temperature control, making it perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, offices, and more. Number 2. 4 modes and smart eco function. This mini split AC heating system features cooling, heating, fan modes for year-round comfort. The Eco mode optimizes energy use for both cooling and heating, ensuring you stay comfortable without wasting energy. Number 3. Customizable airflow and wide coverage. The AC split unit includes 4 fan speeds, high, medium, low, auto, and a 90-degree vertical swing. Whether you're relaxing in bed or hosting a gathering, you can adjust the fan settings to maintain the perfect comfort level throughout your space. Number 4. Energy efficient and eco-friendly. With a 19 rating and 8.5, this split system air conditioner reduces energy costs while maintaining strong performance. The greener refrigerant boosts efficiency and lowers environmental impact, offering a sustainable cooling and heating solution. Number 5. Sleep-friendly and thoughtful design. Operating at just 42 decibels, this split system air conditioner ensures peaceful nights. Sleep mode gradually adjusts the temperature for comfort, while silent mode disables beeping from the remote control. The 24-hour timer and LED off function further reduce disturbances. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you the most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.